So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial of GitHub where I'm going to show you how you can add a README file. If you don't know what a README file is, README file is a brief about your project that shows what is your project, how to access your project, how to run your project, and that's a very necessary file in your repo. So all you need to do is to just simply log into your GitHub account and open the repository of which you want to add a README file, and this is the interface that you're going to see right in front of you. And here a big option that says add a readme. Just simply tap over here and a window will open of text. Here you can write whatever you want to write about your project, and once you're done with that, just simply for example, if I say this is my project, once I'm done with that, I all I need to do is to just simply hit this commit changes option and my readme file is ready with my project. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.